everybody, we've got a quick tutorial today here. We're going to take a real simple small project. We're going to right click on the scans folder, go to a 3D view, and this again, very small project, just a test project here. We're going to delete some points out of it. So the first thing that I want to do is go to the selection portion up here, one of the tools. And as I left click on that, I'm going to go to the polygon option. So what that's going to allow me to do is I use my mouse and I click with the left button and I drop a point, and then I move and I drop a point, and you can do this around your entire project where you're surrounding the points that you want to keep and you're going to delete the points outside of it. So when I want to close this, I just double click with my left button. Now you see that's highlighted. Now, if I stay inside of that and I right click, it gives me different options, deleting the inside or the outside or just to clear it. Now, don't freak out if you are getting a hurry and you delete the inside instead of the outside. You just save, but don't save. You close the project down, open it back up, and start over again. So what we want to do is delete outside this selection. So we just simply take that option and bam, it's gone. So that is a way to reduce your project size, get rid of a lot of unwanted points, and just sort of streamline the project as you're dealing with it. Thanks.